Hey, thanks for tuning into my video. Welcome back or welcome. I'm Maya and on my channel I used to share style related videos because I was a style coach, and I guess in a way I still am, but haven't been active in that space lately. Lately I've been posting a lot of unboxing videos and shopping related stuff, and I think in the future I'm going to share more maybe mindset tips or finance tips along the lines of coaching and empowerment, but also some fun, happy, quirky stuff. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be sharing a video of unboxing my Dolce & Gabbana purchase, and the timing's all a bit off, and I filmed the upcoming video, the next part of this video, a couple of weeks ago, and I actually bought the D&G thing a few weeks ago, actually a week before that, and I bought it, I saved it, but I wanted to open it with my friend when we stayed at Crown Towers. So the timeline's all over the place, but you know, I hope you get value from this anyway. Before I show you my unboxing video, I actually wanted to share a tip about staying at Crown. So we stayed in Crown Towers in Melbourne, and Crown have 3 different hotels, and we were researching for the best place to stay, and we looked all around Melbourne for a hotel for a staycation, but our heart was set on Crown Towers. And now Crown Towers is better than Crown Metropole, Crown Promenade, and therefore it's a bit more expensive. And we were kind of resigned to the fact that we would have to pay a bit more money. But here's a trick that I found last minute to save you some dosh if you wanted to have a staycation. Considering that not many people can go too far, you might want to have a staycation in the city or at Crown as well. So this is not a sponsored video, I'm just sharing it because it's a cool tip, and I thought you might enjoy it if you get inspired by watching the next part of this video. So the trick is, if you want to save 15% and maybe get some extra bonuses with your stay, if you want to chill out at Crown, Crown hotels, and you know, just hang out in the Crown entertainment complex for a night or whatever, however long, then a tip is to go to their website and look for Crown Direct. Now this is pretty much their mailing list / membership kind of sign up mailing list, and I was ready to book the hotel room online, full price, but I took a look and another squiz around. We couldn't find any bonus coupons or anything on various websites here and there. But when I got to the website, I looked around again, and what was highlighted to me was their Crown Direct sign up. So it should be on the bottom or somewhere on the webpage. I'll try and drop a link in the description. But I had an inkling to sign up before I booked. And what do you know? In the welcome email, it said members of this mailing list get 15% off. So I'm like, I was wrapped. Getting 50% off and also getting sparkling champagne as a bonus for staying there as well. And there were some other various packages that you could have picked that had different kind of bonuses. And I don't know if this promotion is ongoing forever, but there's no harm. So give it a go, sign up, and you'll find out. And yeah, I hope that, you know, if you go, enjoy your stay, have fun. Anyways, so I'm going to switch over to the clip that my friend filmed while I was unboxing this baby at Crown Towers in our hotel room. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you want to see some more weird, quirky stuff, unboxing or whatever. Let me know if you have any questions about this video or the Crown thing or anything else. Thanks, guys. Here's our freebie and some cocoa black chocolate. Hi guys, it's Maya. Tonight I'm going to be unboxing something from Dolce & Gabbana, and I'm actually staying at the Crown Towers in Melbourne for a weekend staycation with a friend, so that's why there's a different backdrop tonight. Anyways, I got this and thought I'd unbox it and share it with everybody. Alright, let's do this. So, it's a bit anticlimactic, but I got a brown box. It's not a fancy gift box like, I don't know, LV, Hermes and stuff. But that's okay. Alright, open it. Open it up, see. Do you like the sparkling wine? I mean, you can't taste it, but we've got sparkling wine complimentary with our room. Look! It's kind of a bit sheeny. So this was brand new, so I asked them to give me a brand new one. So they brought up this box. Apparently it's fresh from Milan. So what have we got? This is some tissue paper. A nice dust bag. My friend's filming. She's waiting for the reveal. Like, do this. Ta-da! Hello! So, oh, should I undo the gold? I don't have the tools to undo the gold. I'll try and pull it down a bit. But yeah, there's gold chain. So this is the silver, but it's like a dark silver. It's like a almost like a gunmetal silver, and it's a bit metallic-y. Bit yeah, there's a bit of a sheen. So there's the leather handle for the shoulder strap. So that will make it a bit more comfortable to wear here. And then there's gold chain. And then, so this is the D&G Girls crossbody. So it has the D&G Girls has this motif, this ornate D&G. So there's gold, and then underneath there's like a pewter gunmetal, and then this is like a dark silver. So when I saw it in the store, I was actually initially eyeing the gold on gold, but they didn't have it in the size I wanted, and then we thought if it went any bigger, it'd be too much gold. But then I saw this. I wasn't expecting to see this, but I think this is a good combination, and it's not too glaring, not too much gold. So, I'm gonna open it. There was something odd though when I tried this on, and the front and the back is like a soft leather, but the bottom was harder, and it's a slightly different finish, so it's more flush. Well, this is more plump. And then I found out this is actually 85% Napa lambskin leather, and this part is calfskin leather. So it will be more durable, I guess, when you put it down. So I'll show you the inside. So that's the back, plain inside. Come look inside. So it's black with a little card slot. But yeah, you fit your basics in your phone. Well, my phone's being used to film this, so I can't show you. What's cool about this is you can actually detach the handle and just use it as a clutch. I plan to probably keep the thing on, keep the chain on, and kind of hold it as a clutch like this. Hold it like this. Or I'll wear it on the shoulder like this. Isn't that cute? So there's little flowers and flourishes on the D&G, and that's what got me. And I like the color combo too. So yeah, that's my new baby. I'll show you what it looks like crossbody. So it lands to about here, which is actually not terrible. Now, I gotta go be careful not to damage this lambskin leather because it's metallic. But yeah, I did not plan to buy this. It was spirit of the moment thing. And there you have it. I'm gonna go enjoy now. Cheers! Here's some random French entrees we had for dinner, and we ordered way too much water for two.